we can also use Docker Desktop in Windows and Macintosh for easy management of Docker, but be aware that Docker Desktop as an application is for large enterprise, it needs a paid subscription. For a single developer like myself, it is free. Docker Engine is always free. In previous video, I have shown how to install Docker Engine in the WSL in Ubuntu without Docker Desktop. We can always use the standard command line Docker without the money. It is cost free, but for more easy version, we can download for Windows. This is Windows AMD 64. I already downloaded it since it takes a little bit time, and I am running it right now. It asks me a permission, then it will start installing everything. It takes for a configuration, a shortcut to desktop. It is unpacking files. It asks almost nothing and it finishes, but it takes a little bit time since my laptop is not very fast. Okay, after everything is installed, it is packing and installing. It asks, installer asked no questions. I'm closing it, go to the desktop, and Docker Desktop is here. I can run the Docker Desktop and it will show me a start menu, which I can manage my containers. I accept the agreement and Docker Desktop is coming. Yeah, I can skip it for now. It is starting Docker Engine. In the backend, it is using the same WSL environment right now. Instead of command line, it do everything for me. It is a graphical user interface, therefore managing Docker is more easier with this way. Again, it takes a little bit time, therefore I am pausing. Okay. After everything finished, we can see the containers and the others. Right now, we don't have any containers, images, volumes, and everything is here. For the containers, for example, I can see and run what I necessary for me. Okay, these are, for example, okay, welcome Docker, verified your Docker file, built your first image, run your Docker command, and everything is here. And I think I should be able to run the Docker. No. Models, MCP toolkit. Okay, search image run. Hello. We can find hello world here. Yes, and when I say run, okay, it was running to download the image and it's run the image, and we can see the results here when we here. From here again we can run it again, we can see the details, we can see files, we can delete, and everything is here with the Docker.